Okay, this is how you adjust the handbrake. You can see it's quite high on a Mitsubishi ASX. We've already taken off the wheels. If you look closely here, you can see there's this hole. Basically, inside the drum here, there's some linings. Okay, as you can see, that is the adjuster inside there. So basically, what you have to do is get a screwdriver, insert it into the hole, then you would click against it to the right place. You'll actually hear it making a noise as you're turning it. You can hear. Basically, you're going to keep on adjusting until it gets tight. So you'll see now you can't turn it. So once you've got it to that point, then you just click it back 1 or 2 clicks, just so it releases it. No, not enough. Okay, you just release it by turning it the opposite way, just until it releases. There you can see, just make it a little bit tighter. See, that's too much, it's just a tiny bit. Okay, basically that's all it takes, and you'll do the same thing on the other side. You can see on the opposite side, it's basically the same process. See, it's now tight, and then you just release it a tiny little bit, as you can see. And basically you can see once we've done that, you can see the handbrake is basically 2 clicks. Okay, so that's how you adjust the handbrake on a 2012 to 2016 Mitsubishi ASX.